Hello and welcome to Genesis Training. This is your trainer Kaustav. In this video we'll be dealing with logarithms, and this is the part 1 of a 2-part series. Let's get started with the concepts. These are all the concepts of logarithms. When it comes to log, what does log actually mean? If a power x equals n, then we say that log base a of n equals x. This is the meaning behind log. That's it. And a few facts about logarithms is logarithms are defined only for positive numbers, not defined for zero or negative numbers. And when it comes to a number like this, then the integral part of it is called the characteristic, that is this part, and the mantissa is the decimal part of it, that is this part. And natural log is when the base is e, and common log is when the base is 10. So that means that if at all you have log something and if the base is not specified, we take the base as 10. Now other formulae are right here. Log base a of x and y is equal to log base a of x plus log base a of y. It's the same as this one. A power m into a power n equals a power m plus n. So if the base is same, then m and n, the powers get added. If it's divided, then they get subtracted. If it's divided, then they get subtracted. Log of x, log base x of x equals 1. That means x power 1 equals x. That's it. So on and so forth. These are the different formulae or different concepts of logarithms. Now using them, we solve a variety of questions. Let's see a few such examples. Log x of y equals 100, log x of 2 equals 10, then the value of y is what? Okay, so we have this, we have this. Let's find the value of x first. We have log x2 equals 10. That means x power 10 equals 2. This is what x is. Now after that we have log base x y equals 100. So this means log x power 100 equals y. Now how can we get the value of y? We can raise this one to the power of 10. That is equal to 2 to the power of 10. So this is 2x to the power of 100, that is 2 to the power of 10. And similarly over here, x to the power 100 is equal to y. So y is equal to 2 power 10. That's it. The answer is A. 2 power 10 is nothing but y, because both of them are equal to x power 100. That's it. Let's move on. What is the value of log this, log this, log this, minus log this? Okay. So the best way of solving such questions is you have to expand everything, separate everything. Let's do that. We have log of a plus 2 log of b. Why 2 log of b? Because it is log b square. And the property of log is, if it's log b to the power something, that to the power point gets multiplied with the log. That is what happened over here. Minus log of a minus log of c plus log of a plus log of b plus 4 log of c. And then minus 3 log of b minus 3 log of c. Let's see what all gets cancelled now. Okay, let's add everything that is common first of all. So a minus a gone. A, we have 1 log a remaining. Okay, we have log a. Now let's talk about b. We have 2b and then plus b, so we have 3b and then minus 3b, so gone. So minus 3b plus 2b and b gone. Over here we have minus log c plus 4 log c, that is 3 log c. 3 log c minus 3 log c, this again is gone. So the only thing left out is log of a. Answer is D. That's it. It's much better to expand them. A lot of people may think that if we expand we end up writing more, but that is a very wrong way of looking at it. If you are expanding, that means you are making your solution longer but simpler. Question number 3. Alright, let's convert all of them into their base values. We have log of 9 by 8. So log of 3 square divided by 2 power 3 minus log of 3 cube divided by 2 power 5, because 32 is 2 power 5, plus log of 3 divided by 4. Alright, what does this mean? Again, let's expand. We have log 3 square is nothing but 2 log of 3 minus log 2 cube is nothing but 3 log of 2 minus 3 log of 3, and then plus because 2 power 5 is in the denominator, so it will become minus anyway. Minus of minus is plus 5 log 2 plus this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 plus log of 3 minus 2 log of 2. Let's simplify this now. When it comes to log 3, we have plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. So gone. This one gone. Minus 3 is minus 2 plus 2 gone. And when it comes to log of 2, we have minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is gone. Again, everything is gone. Answer is 0. Answer is A. That's it. Let's move on. Question number 4. The simplified form of this minus this plus this is what? Okay. So we have log of, when it comes to 75, what can 75 be written as? 75 can be written as 25 into 3. So that is nothing but 5 square into 3 divided by 16 is nothing but 2 power 4. Okay. Minus, we have 2 log of 5 by 3 square plus log of 2 power 5 divided by 3 power 5, because 243 is 3 power 5. Let's expand it now. We have 2 log of 5 plus log of 3 minus 4 log of 2, because this one is in the denominator, that is why minus 2 log of 5 plus because 3 square is in the denominator, so minus of minus becomes plus 4 log of 3. Why 4? Because this 2 and this 2 get multiplied, plus 5 log 2 and minus 5 log 3. Let's see what all gets cancelled now. When it comes to log 5, we have 2 minus 2, so these two gone, and that's it. When it comes to log 3, we have 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 5 is gone. This one also gone. And now we only have log 2 remaining. Log 2, we have plus 5 and minus 4. That is nothing but log 2. Answer is A. That's it. No long calculations and all that. Just simple expand. Question number 5. Again the same way. Let's expand everything. We have, or what we can do is we can multiply everything as well. So we have log of Let's multiply everything in this time, because plus plus, that means the inside part of the log, they all get multiplied. So we have a square into b square into c square, that is in the numerators. In the denominators we have bc into ac into ab, and this also is equal to what? A square b square c square divided by b into b, a into a, c into c. So again, a square b square c square, everything gone. This is equal to log of 1, and log of 1 is nothing but 0, because anything to the power 0 is 1. That's it. Question number 6. The equation this is equal to 0 can be written as, okay, so the base value is same, so we can multiply the ingredients. So we have log base a x into 1 plus x equals 0. So, and 0 is nothing but log base a of 1. It's the same thing. 0 is nothing but this. So log base a we can cancel, and then we get x plus x square equals 1. So we have x square plus x minus 1 equals 0. Answer is A. Very simple. So this was all for this video. I'll see you in the next video of logarithms. Thank you so much.